Hey, what's going on, guys? This is the only one here with a episode of a brand new one that, hold on a second here. It's about whatever this is. Fidget spinners. Alright, so I have a plain old one right here. And I have a big package with 3 cool ones. This is a common old one, little one. Sorry for the shaking. It's just plain old. I had it for about 3 months now, and it sort of broke-ish because these things that you squeeze to hold it on, you just keep coming off really easy. Watch this. See that? Alright, so here's this one. I'll be right back with scissors. Alright, here's my scissors. Let's open the package. You can't tell I'm excited by my voice, but I really am. Alright. Awesome scissors. Not really. Alright. This is the first one. Ooh. Hear that? Well, I know which one this is. It feels a little bit heavy. Alright. I got a couple of these. I think it was 3 of these for my birthday. No, I got 4. One's not going to be here till the end of next month, and I got 3. It's 3 in this bag here. Now let's see which one this is. Let's look it up slow. Look at that. Look at this. You see that? Hear that sound? Here. Oh, that is sick. Oh my goodness. This is the one that I wanted so bad. Alright. Okay, that one's awesome. That's loud, never mind. Alright, now, let's put this over here. Now, number 2. Oh, I think I know what this one is. Alright, ready? Yeah! Look at this. Look at that. That's so cool. See it? Oh my goodness, that is so smooth. That is so cool. Oh my goodness. What does that have a little pack? It has a packaging that you can put it in. What? Here, let me open this. Oh my goodness, can it? Wow, it actually fits inside it. That is so cool. Wow. So I got 2 awesome ones so far. This next one is gonna be so cool. So here, hold on a second. All right, last one. Ooh, ooh, what is? Okay, this is a weird packaging. Here are the scissors. Where are those epic scissors? Where are they? Oh, here they are. There. Thank you, scissors. Alright. Come on, open. Scissors, I need your help again. There we go. Get the little one open. Here we go. What's that? This is so cool so far. Alright. I know which one this is. Oh. What? I'm not gonna show you that. No. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Yes. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that looks so cool. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's 5 sides. No, 6. Math. Can these things come off? No, I don't think they can. I'm like, whoa, whoa. Oh my goodness. Well, this is all my fidget spinners. I'm gonna spin them all at one time. Hold on. Alright. Now we're gonna do a standoff. Wait, what? No, it's not a standoff. We're gonna see what lasts longer. This one, I'm not even gonna spin it. What? Oh, it's pressing gas. Sorry. Alright. We'll take these off for a second. Where's this fidget spinner? This, and this are the newest fidget spinners for me. Leave a comment down below if you think which one's the best. Number 1, number 2, or number 3. I like number 1. This, wow. Alright, we're gonna see what lasts longer. Yeah, I'm gonna try to go really fast with them. Hold on a second. Okay, I just wanted to see if they're far enough apart. You ready? Oh no! Hold on, I didn't even see that. Wait, hold on. I just can't even spin on the ground. You have to spin on your hand. Oh. What was that? The things did come... Oh, so they can come off. Oh, you screw them off. Oh. Okay. 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 So, hold on. We'll do it now. Hold on a second. Yeah, I'll do it now. Alright. Okay, they are far apart. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! This one's moving. Stay still. Which of these gonna win? 1, 2, or 3? Pause the video now and guess in the description. I mean, sorry, comments. Sorry. Okay, 3 is out. Guess 3 you lose. You stink. Not really, you're awesome. Alright. Who's gonna go for who's gonna lose? Come on. This is taking forever. That wasn't me. Oh, I think number 2 is going down. Number 1's probably gonna win. Number 1's slowing down as well. Ooh. Ooh. Who's gonna win? Number 1. Number 2. I think number 2 slowing down. Ooh. It's even. Ooh. I think it's gonna be number 1. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna be even. It's really even. Even Steven. What? Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, I think number 1's gonna win. Man, these last for a long time. That's cool. Oh. If this is a tie, I'm just gonna say they both win. And this can be in second place. They're not stopping. Wow. Oh my. Hold on. I think this one's gonna lose. I'm sorry. You're awesome though. Wait. Who wins? Oh. Number 2 won! Oh, this is the best one. Number 2 won. Oh wait, you can see my phone up there. Hello. This. Number 2 won. Oh. Alright, out of all 3 of these, if you guess number 2 in the comments, you win. Alright. Thank you all so much for watching. Please do a like, comment, subscribe if you're new, please. Hit that little bell. See you next time.